If you are getting a message asking you to pay for SMS fee while trying to log in to your Telegram account, this video is for you. Yes guys, if you are the type, each time you try to log into your Telegram account, you are asked to pay for SMS fee. This video is for you. But for you to be able to fix that problem, all you just have to do is for you to make sure you watch this video right from this beginning until the very end, and make sure that you didn't skip any part. This method I'm about to share with you is somehow trickish. Just make sure that you watch this video carefully, and I will advise you, if you can download, go ahead and download this video because it will be helpful for you. So guys, before that, quickly, if you're my existing subscriber, you are welcome. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Eric Tech. And on this channel, I share tips and tricks on how you can go about your daily challenges. Guys, kindly encourage me by clicking on the subscribe button and hitting the bell notification icon so that you will be the first to be notified each time I upload a video just like this one. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's tutorial. First of all, what you need to do is to go to your Telegram and click on install. Yes, you have to install your Telegram. And secondly, you go to your Google Play Store. Right away, let's go to our Google Play Store. Let me show you step by step on how you can fix the problem. Right away, this is my Google Play Store, and you click on your profile. Click it like this. You scroll downward and you click on Play Protect. You click on this setting icon right here and you switch this off. You turn it off. Verify, so that your password or your fingerprint. Now you go back. You go to your preferred browser. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm using Chrome. Now let's go to Chrome. And on the search bar of Chrome, you type in, as you can see, we have a lot of link right here, but the one that we are going to make use of is what? Up to down. Make sure you click the link with up to down, and this is it right here. You click on this, you scroll downward, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling until you see older version. When you see older version, you go into what? Stop. Keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Yes, right here. This is what? Older version. We are looking for 11. Okay, now let's click on more. Let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. More again. Now 11.9.1. So that is what we are looking for. And right here, this is it right here, 11.9.1. Now you click on it. And guys, if you find any value on this video, kindly click on the like button and share it to your friends and loved ones. Thank you. Let's wait for it to fully load. Now you scroll down. Scroll down. You see this word download. So now you click on this download. Okay, you can see download anyway. That means, do you want to download? Because I've tried this method and it works for me perfectly. So if you are the type that doesn't work for you and you have installed your Telegram from your phone, kindly click on the download and you follow your screen instruction and install the what? Your Telegram. And after that, you are going to what? Input your number. You make sure that you put your correct number blah blah blah, all those stuff, and the issue of SMS fee will be what? Will be fixed. This is the end of my video. And guys, if you have any question, feel free to drop it on my comment box, and I will gladly to reply to your question. And if it works for you, click on the comment box, write on the comment box it works for me. And if it didn't work for you, write on the comment box that it didn't work, and I will look for another way to fix it for you guys. Thank you for watching this video right from this beginning until the very end. Till we meet again, until then, bye bye for now. Peace.